Good morning. In the office nice and early this morning, Monday morning, had a really good weekend. It was Father's Day yesterday, so I got spoiled by my little girl. Well, really by her mummy, let's face it. She's only 2 years old. What I wanted to do is get in nice and early and to do my blog. This one is going to be one of a three-part series. This first one is about rookie brokers, and I'm going to go through the evolution of mortgage brokers over the next couple of weeks. What I think the industry does really well is how to sit in front of a client, structuring loans, talking about construction loans, guarantor loans, self-managed super funds, product policy, and the banks do a lot and give us a lot of resources to be able to help in that sort of area. Where I think the industry probably falls down a little bit is helping people to become salespeople. So someone will come from outside the industry and come into mortgage broking, and they don't realise actually this is a sales job at the end of the day. So you need to have those sales skills and the ability to get that client sat in front of you in the first place. It's all very well knowing what you're going to advise them once they're in front of you, but how do you get that client in front of you in the first place? How do you speak to referral partners? How do you get that referral partner locked in so they're going to give you their business? How do you build that trust? Mortgage brokers, the day of a mortgage broker just being a mortgage broker are numbered. You've got to be more of a relationship manager. You've got to be valuable to the client, that the client is going to keep coming back to you as well and referring you to their friends and family. At Rate One, we spend a lot of time with our people talking about sales skills and teaching them about different sales skills. We have how to be a property expert, how to build a sustainable business.
You've heard through the press what those mortgage brokers are earning. You have a misguided impression that this is easy money. I'll give that a crack. You soon learn that it's harder than you thought. Generating leads is tough when you don't have any experience to call upon. Convincing business partners that you can offer a credible solution for their clients is a hard slog. So you decide that whilst you're new to this, you'll give away a percentage of your commission. After all, money talks. When you first start out, there's a lot to think about. It's all very good getting a client or a lead, but what are you going to do with it once you have it? What's your sales process? What is your follow-up process? What software are you going to use? And don't forget the brand. What's the clever name that you're going to give your new baby? One that no one else has taken yet. Leads are coming in drips and drabs, mainly from family and friends that you have convinced that you can save them money on their existing loan. You service the hell out of these clients. They are receiving the Premier Gold Super Mortgage Broker service with updates all the way through the process, whilst you spend a lot of your time following up the lender, the solicitor and the selling agent to make sure that now you have a fish on the hook, it does not escape. You've only just started out, so you know you cannot afford an office right now. It's best to work from home. You soon find that this is problematic. You are regularly having to step outside to make calls to escape the noise of the children playing or the dog barking at the cat through the window. Yes, I'm calling some real personal experiences here. Sometimes you just wish for an open field, away from everybody and everything. When you did all your research, you realised that you need a mentor for 2 years, but you don't want to pay too much for it. So you decide to go for a guy that your mate recommended, who's a successful broker after all. He charges you a monthly fee for his expertise, but because he is so busy, you struggle to get hold of him on the phone to ask any questions. What am I paying for? You scream. Cash flow is sporadic. You haven't seen any income now for a few months because you are spending all of your time in areas of the business that add nothing to your bottom line immediately. This is a real issue with starting out. I see a lot of lenders working for banks that want to make the jump to being a mortgage broker but are not confident enough to back themselves at this stage. If you write a loan today, the reality is it could be 3 months before you see any income. But you told your significant other not to worry. I'll make money in no time. The family savings are safe as houses. Reality hits you hard. At Rate One, we give you the resources to succeed. We help you to iron out the bumpy road to have consistency, to accelerate your learning and to get you up and running as quickly as possible. There is one caveat though. Rate One is not responsible for your success. You are. As much as we provide the resources, it still takes your dedication, discipline and determination to make it.